Hello, my name is Jesse Griggs, and I'm a Senior Threat Researcher here at Canary. And today I'm going to be talking about two new techniques that have made it onto our top 10 for our mid-year TDR roundup. First is T1530, data from cloud storage, and the second is T1562.7, disable or modify cloud firewall. So what are these techniques? Data from cloud storage can take many forms across different services such as SharePoint, Google Drive, S3, and others. It is simply an adversary accessing data from cloud services for collection or exfiltration. For the second technique, disable or modify cloud firewall, is an adversary simply disabling or adding access to security policies that would allow them ingress into an environment. This could take the form of creating a VPC with a security group that allows public access through SSH in AWS. So how are they related? At first glance, these two might not seem connected, but they both stem from user behavior that alone simply presents a risk or misconfiguration. It can be difficult to accurately make the distinction between user risk and true malicious activity. For both of these, the API events that constitute detection are not enough alone to build a known threat. So what can we do? We can add enrichment around these events to help clarify true malicious behavior from simple misconfiguration. This can come from IP geolocation or VPN usage, as this can indicate this identity has been compromised and is being accessed from a new location. Or it can come from tracking user follow-on behavior or other API commands to build a narrative of malicious activity. Review all relevant security policies to make sure you limit the ability to enable public access on object storage. In AWS, public access is disabled by default, so be sure to review that it's still relevant for your accounts. For cloud firewalls and security groups, be sure to verify that only admins or infrastructure teams are allowed to modify these groups and ingress rules. These techniques can be prevented by good security hygiene. This can be difficult to do at scale, so be sure to log all control plane actions within your cloud environments and monitor any high-value workloads that would be target for threat actors. As you gain more confidence with continuous monitoring and security policies, you can slowly expand your scope to include all your cloud workloads.